What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Tenvis, and we're taking a look at their 1080p outdoor security camera that attaches to the wall or anything you need it to attach to, and it's a full-on home surveillance camera that has a full-fledged application. It has night vision that's really good, IP65 waterproof, so you can actually install this outside or indoors like I'll be doing in my garage. It also has pan, tilt, and digital zoom. No matter what you need, this thing has you covered. Two-way audio as well, so if someone breaks into my garage, I'll be able to tap a button on the application and tell them to get the heck out because we don't want them there. Best of all, it works with Alexa, so you're pretty much set in terms of the smart home world. Unfortunately, it does only work on the 2 GHz network. However, most smart products work on the 2 GHz network, so when you're setting this up, keep that in mind. Now, speaking of setup, it's really easy. There's literally 4 screws. You drill 4 holes into your wall, and then you put the screws right in. Done. It's all set up. There's not much left. Then you just plug it in. It turns on, beeps a few times, maybe flashes its lights. Yes, it has a light built into it as well. And after that, it's ready for pairing. You get the Tunia app, and just like that, you're pretty much set to go. All you do is hit Tunia Smart on your phone. Then you hit Add a Device. You look for smart cameras and whatnot, and it will search your Wi-Fi network for this particular device. Just make sure you're connected to the 2G network, and you're set to go. Now, why exactly is this device awesome? Well, it has full color night vision. That's not something you get very often. The night vision allows you to get full on colors, which is really unique, making it perfect for the outdoors. You also get 360 pan, so it can spin all the way around to the point where it can look at the wall. You don't need it to look at the wall, but it puts into perspective how much viewing area this has versus other cameras that just have a wide angle 180 degree view. That's not that great. This thing attaches to the wall and it spins. Then the camera itself can also spin upwards up to 90 degrees and downwards 90 degrees, so you can see everything. Now, you don't usually need to look up, but you do need to look straight down sometimes, you know, for a guy that might be right under the camera trying to take it down or trying to take it off. That's where this thing is awesome. Best of all you have to do is jump into the application and you are able to go ahead and completely control this thing. You're able to set it to night vision mode. You're able to mess with the sensors, and you can do every single thing that you need to. And speaking of the Wi-Fi and the 2 GHz network, it has 2 antennas built into it as well, so you can actually set this up way further than the average camera out there, and it will still maintain signal. There's no if you need it, if you want to set up really far, it even has an Ethernet port built into it as well. However, that's a little bit of a pain. I prefer the Wi-Fi setup. It makes life a lot easier. Now, on it also has some IR LED lights, it has a high definition lens, and it has a motion sensor all built into the front of this thing, so it can actually warn you if someone is in your garage or wherever you decide to set this up when they really shouldn't be. And if that's the case, you just use the 2-way audio, tell them to get out of there, or you're going to call someone, and you are set to go. All in all, I think it's a really awesome device. You can store everything on the cloud via the application or on an SD card, and it can support up to a 128GB SD card. It's not compatible with Mac, NVR, DVR, or NAS. That seems reasonable since this thing is designed for the cloud, and it is not operated via a battery, so keep that in mind as well. You do have to have a plug near this thing or wire it directly to something or another. All in all, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. So leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.